He thinks he's so adorable. He can get away with anything. What is that, Mason? What is it? He knows he's guilty. What is it, Mason? Bad! What is that?
Who did it? Who did this? Who did it? Who did that? Who was it? Who did that? Who is that? Did that? Did you do that? Yeah, did you do that? Did you do that? Look at me. Did you do this? Angel, can you look at me? Angel, did you do this?
Have this toothbrush? No. Why do you have it? This is the no-no. This is why you have a bellyache. No. Sit. You're in trouble. Look at this toothbrush. Look what you did to Caden's toothbrush. Look at it. Why do you have you have my toothbrush? Why do you have a toothbrush? You see this? Don't act like you get beat. You've never had a beat. Harley? You have a toothbrush too? So you all three decided to destroy the toothbrushes. Ma'am. No, ma'am. No.
Oh, what is this?
Oh no.
What is this?
Oh, I have poop.
Is this poop? Is it really poop? Is it really poop?
So I got home today. Didn't even realize that this was sitting right here on the ground. I just kind of stepped over it and got on my bed. Then I got off my bed and I was like, what the heck? And I was trying to figure out why Maggie was crying so bad when I got home. And now I know. Look at this guilty ass face. Why are you so cute when you're bad? This was my freaking makeup blender sponge. How am I supposed to apply my concealer and foundation when you...
What is that? Are you sorry?
Oh my God!
Cosa hai fatto? Cosa hai fatto? Monello!
Why did you do that? You hurt me. Why did you do that? Don't give me that look.
Are you serious? Did you just eat one of these? Huh? Did you eat one of these? Is this what you ate? Huh? Did you eat one of these? You want to eat one of these right now? What is in your mouth? Huh? What do you have in your mouth? Spit it. Get this out. Come on. Give me this. Give me this. You ate one of my crab rangoons. You stinker. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do, Mrs. Mia? What is this? What is this? Was this you? Did you poop in the house? No.
Margot. Did you chew up my shoe? Did you do that? Why did you chew up my shoe? Why would you do that? I really like these shoes. Do you feel bad? I'm really sad about this.
Honey, have you been a good girl or a bad girl? Have you been a good girl or have you been a bad girl? Which one? Honey, you gotta answer. You've been bad. Oh, you've been bad? Honey.
Okay, but why do you assume it was me? You left for the bathroom, unprofessional by the way, and I sat right here. Maybe it came like that. You just didn't notice.
Here's my Friday afternoon snack. Cheers, Mum, for the money.
Sully, did you trick your dad into giving you a second dinner? Yes, you did. Because you already ate a little while ago. Didn't you? Uh-huh.
Was that you?
So I just got up and walked into the kitchen. Leo! Leo! Bad! Bad dog. Did you do this? Did you do that? Did
Who took a shit in my bedroom? Titan, did you take a poop in my bedroom? Did you do it?
Why do you look so guilty, Harley?
Could it be half the cake you just ate? Really? No, no, no. What is this? Harley? Why you gotta eat half a cake? Don't go on the counter. No.
What did you do? Don't wag your tail. What in tarnation, Obi? What did you do? Oh my god.
What did you do, girl? Why are you following me like that? What'd you do? Come on, show me what you did. You ain't gotta crawl. What did you do?
No. No. You know better. What's this? What's this? What's this? No. No. You know better. What's this? What's this? What's this?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
La tapa de mi hoppy. ¿Quién rompió la tapa de mi hoppy? ¿Quién fue? ¿Fuiste vos? Rompiste la tapa a mi hobby. ¿Vos fuiste? ¿O fuiste vos? ¿Quién fue? A mí quién fue.
Who ate these pretzels? Who did this? Who did this? Is it you?
Beni ci jasno. Beni.
This is how you can tell if Duke is guilty. Duke, did you do this? Did you do this? Duke.
Did you poop in the house? Did you do it? Did you poop in the house?
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it and they're worried you're going to ask for it back and they don't want to acknowledge that they owe you money, so they just kind of look there and they're like...
Bailey, what is in your mouth? Drop it.
It's really good.
Open your mouth. Open. What the fuck is that? Give me that. What is that?
Riley, what happened? Riley, what is that? Don't roll your eyes at me. Riley.